Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I've got another release to show you that is amazing. This one is from Mindy Eggen and it's called Classic Road Legends, and it's perfect, absolutely perfect for masculine card. So if you struggle like I do to make a card for a man, well, stop, because that's it. Mindy sorted all my problems. This die set is beautiful, and oh, they can be for girl as well. I will show you anyway what I made today, but yeah, it's absolutely perfect for men. So I don't have the full release, but almost. So what I've got is the muscle car, and let me show you. That is, it looks complicated because it's got a lot of little bits, but when you put it together, you will see it's not that complicated at all. It's quite straightforward. And I made this fan card. I don't know if you're familiar with the Duke of Hazard, but I was a big fan of the Dukes of Hazard. Yeah, that's the name. In I used to watch it in Italy. They were called Bogliuk. I don't know if they're probably the same in in America, but I was a big fan. And this is the card that they had, the General Lee. And as soon as I saw the die set, I was like, oh, that make me think of that card. So it's a blast from the past for me. And I made this card that was so much fun for me. So I made it in orange. I will actually have a video making this card so you can have a look in details. But what I did, I made a card with the die set. Then I used the classic sentiment die set to die cut a happy birthday sentiment here. And the one on the background is part of the release, is this better press that is called Radiant Starburst. That is super cool. So you can better press it or you can foil it. So I do have, I think, another card made with this one, and I will show you. But it's super cool. You can use it's very versatile. You can use it for a lot of different things. But I use it, in this case, I use it for this card. And the second card I made using the this one is called a Timeless Track. So again, I made another birthday card. It's very similar. This one is a A2 size. The other one was a 6x6 or 5x5 actually. Sorry, 5x5 card. Yes, and I made a red. This could be easily become a Christmas card if you put a Christmas tree at the back, happy Christmas here, sentiment, and it's perfect. But I made it a birthday card, and I die cut a tiny little boxes that are like present. This one is from another release. I will show you later. Anyway, again, lot of bits, but once you cut it, you can easily see where they go, and it wasn't complicated at all, and it was so much fun. So that's the second card I made. This release is got as well this die set that is speedometer basically, and I didn't put it yet on things, so I'll just show you here. There are not that many pieces, and they're quite easy to assemble. And I'll show you what I made. I made another square card, another 5x5, and another birthday card. I used this one is the sentiment from here, classic, and I made a fun card. Just say you're not old, you are a classic. And for this sentiment, I just use my label maker. So you can actually, if you go a label maker, you can create the sentiments that you want. And because it's a a birthday card for a 75 years old, I put the little line of the speedometer between the 70 and the 80, and it was fun. So absolutely love it. The background is another embossing folder from I think it was an embossing folder of the month for a while back. I will link you below if I can find it or if it's still available. But that's it. And I think the larger might be a circle die that I've got added in my stash. I wanted to give a color frame, so I think this one is the biggest, because I think the biggest one here is actually the silver one. Let me just double check to make sure. Yes, but it can coordinate with any circle die that you got. And that's it. I think this one's so much fun. And for the classic, this one is called the classics car. I decided to go girly and make a pink car. I mean, who doesn't love a classic pink Cadillac? This is gorgeous. I just find it so much fun. I give a bit of a vibe, tropical vibes, because, you know, California and all these kind of things. Happy birthday again. I cut it in pink and white. This one has got Happy Father's Day as well. That will be perfect for June. So just to let you know, I'll make definitely a birthday card for my dad with this die set. And that's it. Again, it was so much fun to make. Sorry about the noise, my kids downstairs. The background, I make the sun by just using one of the circle of the speedometer and die cut it in simple paper, and I make it a stencil, and then I create my stencil side sun. Basically, this release has got as well a wonderful stencil set that I didn't receive, unfortunately, but I'm planning to purchase, because it creates a scenery for your background that is gorgeous. And I think it's got a stamp set as well, stamp set for sentiment that is that coordinate if you're interested. So I will list below the whole collection, and then in the next few days I'm gonna post a video showing how I did a couple of these cards. I think these two, the square one, I think. But yeah, it's an amazing collection and so much fun. I love it, and I can't wait to make a Father's Day card for my dad. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with some of these card videos. See you soon. Bye.